Okay, howdy everybody. I'm Billy Bob. Yeah, and I'm Looney Bird. And we're back with another big show. And tonight's big concept is trivia. We're doing lots of trivia for everybody. So we'll be asking some trivia questions based around the songs that we're doing or around the time that the songs were recorded. So we'll see how good everybody is at answering these trivia questions. Okay? Okay, now let's see. The next song we're going to be doing is by Rolf and Earl. Hey, you guys, come on over here.
Hey, okay, I'm ready. I know everything there is to know.
Rolf, just be quiet and listen to the question. Well, I don't really have a question. Since the song we're going to do is She Blinded Me with Science, does anybody have a science trivia question?
I have one.
Mitzi, hey, what you got?
Hey, okay, how many electrons can you fit in a teaspoon?
How many electrons can I fit in a teaspoon? None. I don't know anything about electronics.
Okay, well, I can fit 625 million electrons in a teaspoon. Aren't you proud of me?
Well, what do you do then? You sprinkle them on your cereal or something? What? What's the deal? That's real. Okay, well, Mitzi, you're not supposed to tell us the answer to your trivia questions. You're supposed to let the audience guess. Okay, now we're going to have to come up with another trivia question. Who's got a science trivia question we can ask?
Who won the World Series in 1949?
Okay, who won the World Series? We'll be back with the answer to that trivia question right after this song.
Yes, but as a known scientist, it is a bit surprising that she blinded you with science. I know.
Well, that was Thomas Dolby's song. Thanks, Rolf. Thanks, Earl. We didn't have too good a trivia question going there before we went into that song about science.
I couldn't think of one.
Well, it wasn't bad. I mean, but it wasn't great. Does anybody have any just a general trivia question you can throw out at the audience here?
Yeah.
What's the one right now?
Hey, wait, you. I'll decide this.
Hey, who gave you the right to do that?
Yeah, Beach Beth.
Fats.
Yeah, I gave him the right. Now tell him who's going to go first.
Fats.
Yeah, I can see that. That sounds okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Anybody have a problem with that?
No, I don't
Oh,
think so.
no. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, Fats.
Okay, I got a good one. About the next song I'm going to sing. About a minute work, and they're from down there in Australia.
Is that a trivia question?
And no, I ain't asked the question yet. Well, I'll tell you the question when the question comes up. Now,
okay.
watch this.
All right.
What is the capital of Australia?
Keep your eye.
Can of beer.
Now, wait a second. I guess a can of beer. Wait a second. Dude, it's not can of beer. It's Canberra.
That one was too easy, Fats. Let's try another one. Okay, go
Okay,
ahead.
yeah.
You got another chance.
Let me see. What's the capital of the state of New South Wales?
Sydney.
Yeah, Sydney.
Think you smart, huh?
Yeah.
Of course, we know it.
All right. What's the capital of Queensland?
Brisbane.
South Australia.
Adelaide.
Adelaide.
Tasmania.
Hobart.
Hobart.
Victoria.
Victoria.
Wisconsin.
Australia.
Fink Class.
Perth.
Physics. Pink. Well, it's quite obvious that the Australian geography is a very topical subject these days. Hit it, Duke.
What? You want me to get it? I got a question for y'all.
What?
I got a good trivia question for
Dude,
y'all.
play the song.
Play the song. I want to ask a question.
What, Duke?
Y'all asking questions?
Okay, what
let,
Duke?
let Joe Trivia
Duke wants
have
to ask a question before he plays the song. Go ahead.
Okay. Who made the first 1923 Henway?
What's a henway?
About 3 pounds.
Oh, come on. You got me. You play the song.
Traveling in a fried out Gumby on a heavy trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady. She made me nervous. She took me in and she gave me breakfast. She said, "Do you come from the land down under? Women go and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover." Put it in a pocket. In a pouch. Buying bread from a man in the Brussels. He was 6'4", head full of muscle. I said, "Do you speak my language, huh, boy?" He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. He said, "I come from the land down under. Women go when men thunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover." With a slack jaw, not much to say. I said to the man, "Are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from the land of plenty." He said, "I come from the land down under. Women go and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Living in the land down under. Women go and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? better run, you better take cover. Living in the land down under, women go and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Living in the land down under, women go and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Tie me kangaroo down, boy, tie me kangaroo down.